Good morning, Snowy. Good morning, Costa. No time to check the phone. Well, I'll just check it now. It's 9 sharp in the morning. I had a good sleep. Did you guys have a good sleep? Maybe today we're gonna go to the the water slides because it's not raining and it's no thunderstorms. Are you guys happy? Me too. Okay, guys, so we're probably gonna go early because of the rain don't come. Because it comes really early in the morning. Alright, I'll get money if we can get like other food and stuff. Okay, come on, guys. Up here. Not here. Come here, guys. Alright, come on, guys. Don't do what you're gonna do. Guys, good job. Alright, guys. Okay, so wait. I want to see. Wait, where is the water park? Like, I want to call them. Guys, stay right there. Call them. Hi. Where is the water park? Deck 9. That's where I am. Oh, I guess I'm lucky. All right, thank you. What? It's on my floor. Is that actually true? Maybe it's this way. What a pretty things are. Come here, guys. What? Oh, that's cool. It's on my floor. Come on, guys. Come on. Wait a turn, guys. Guys, go. Who's going first? Alright. Okay, so where are we gonna sit? Let's sit right here. Come here, guys. And guys, you can be free. As long as you don't drown. Alright, let's go have fun. Okay. Can't wait to go. And also, they added a new red slide I saw. So, guys, I'm not going to go on the blue one. That looks scary. Alright, so let's go. Alright, let's go on some water slides. Is anyone going to come with me? Anyone? Alright, whatever. Alright, let's go. Oh, who's this? Hi, Costa. She likes water. Alright, come on. Let's go. Hey, Snowy. Thanks for waiting down for me. Is this a hot tub? That feels relaxing. Okay, so I want to try that orange and red one. Let's go. Hey, look at that. Look at that slide. Let's go. Wait, why is this in the way? Alright. Oh no, be careful, Snowy, don't fall. Okay, this is a very steep one. I'm kind of worried the dogs fall down or drown. This is really. Guys, be careful. Oh, Snowy's coming with me. That's so Costa. Guys, you never want to come on slides with me. Wow, that's cool. They both want to come with me. Alright. Guys. We made it done. Alright, guys, let's go. Come on and get your shakes down. Come on. Come on. Are you coming, Snowy? Snowy, stop. Alright, let me get her teleport, maybe. Come here. Okay, you didn't even shake. Okay, guys, so we just got pizza, and it was delicious. So we've been here for like 1 hour, and it's been so much fun. Alright, guys, let's go back to our room. Which way was it? Oh, yeah, this way. I can't believe I keep forgetting where to go. Alright, come here, guys. Alright. Like you're lying, guys. Alright, don't get stuck to the doors. Come on, guys. Okay. You need to learn how to wait turns. There we go. Alright, I can't believe that's close to our, apartment. That's cool. New room for me. Alright, come in, guys. Okay. So guys, I'll let you be free this time since the door's closed and I'm not going to really be out there. Alright. Ring, ring. Huh? Who's calling me? Oh, it's a cruise boat. Let's end. Hello? Hi. What? I need to pay to stay another night? Oh, dang. Okay, thank you. Bye. Dang it. I forgot to pay. Guys, it's too late. We have to go home. Oh no, that's so sad. Okay, let me just unpack this. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, let me... Alright, guys, let's go. Snowy, wait. Oh, no, Costa, come here. Costa. Alright, let me just leash them. Costa never listens. Alright, come on. You two, they need to be trained. I don't know why I never trained them. Yes! Alright, come on, guys. We have to go. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, let's go home, I guess. I kind of want to go home. I miss my home. Alright. Come on, guys. So how much days did we stayed here for 3 days. So, I guess, yes. Deck 7. Just one more floor down. We need to be at deck 5. Deck 6. Come on, guys. Come here. And deck 5. Perfect. Okay, so the cruise ship stopped moving. That's weird. Alright, whatever. So it says, yeah, I'm leaving. Oh, yeah. Have a great day. You too. I can't believe I had to leave. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Okay, let's go, guys. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so we made it home. My lovely home. Alright, so I have the keys and I put everything back in. I just want to see it. I just want to show you an interview of me going back in. Oh, it's lovely to be home. Alright, let's put the keys back. Alright. Hi, guys. What are you doing over here, Costa? Alright, we need to fix them. Alright, come here, guys. Let's fix you. Okay. Snowy, you go right. Alright, no. There we go. And Costa, you go right here. Yep. Okay. So, guys, that was the last part of the cruise ship. Thank you guys so much for coming to part 3. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Love you.